Okay, YouTubers, I'm just starting up. Got a real late start today. The time is 9:10, a little after. Just going to fire this up. It looks like there might be something developing. Here it goes. Come on, let's take a trade. Come on, do a pullback so we can gauge the bot. It's gotten a long way from this line here. Come on, let's fire one off. That should be one right coming up.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's shoot for 1,000. Let's look at the price.
Order canceled.
There's 1,000.
Order filled.
Well, probably not quite 1,000 after it settles down. Yep, 823, which is good. One more trade, we can call it good. It started at 9:10, is now 9:13. See what the VIX is doing. VIX is staying steady. The Nasdaq looks like it's gaining some points. It's just kind of going nowhere today. Volume is 203. It's kind of low for the last few days. Oh, she's doing a runner. Where are you going? We're going to do a pullback. This is the Power Ripper Pro from TrueTrade. See what it's going to do. Make another run up. There's resistance at 13,389 right up above here. See if it wants to go up there or come back to 13,349, which would be right here. Looks like it's closer to this for support. really slowed down. The ES is running though. Come on, make up your mind. Buyers or sellers? Someone gross.
Order
There
filled.
you go.
Order filled.
Get up there. Ooh. This has been one of those days. One of those days.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Come on, one more hit. Come on, you can do it.
Target filled.
There.
Stop filled.
Well, I got stopped out on that one, but I made $1,600. Maybe we can get another small one. I think I'm going to be happy with that after all I went through today. Yeah. 50 grand a week. Made 1,700, 122 after commissions. Yeah, total net profit. So that's gross profit there. And if you did this all month, you bring home $50,000. Not bad. It took a little longer today, but 10, 17 minutes. But let's see if we can get one more maybe.
Order filled.
Here we go. Come on down. You're the next contestant on Make Me Money. Yeah, she's playing around. Come on, girl. Get some flush out. You don't want to go up.
Order
Yes.
canceled. Order filled.
Done. That is a wrap. 3,000. Let's see what a total is. 2,511. 76,000 for the month. I am happy with that.